darkest streets, don't trip down narrow roads. Way stations and the burning gates won't tip their heavy load. I once knew a trucker, he prayed to God above. When he died, his prayers were jackknives, and the devil took his truck. Trucks in heaven, boys, they all go to hell. Some smoke in heaven's clouds, but there's very well. Angels up in heaven, they got wings that fly around. Demons down in hell, drive decent punks around. Against heaven, but it's hard to deny the power of the devil's convoy and all this weasel strife. If I get to heaven,